guys are on camera now. Do you want to be on YouTube?
Hey.
Right.
Yeah.
Do you see Way's YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Did he show it to you?
Yeah. I showed her the video of you surfing.
That was embarrassing.
Yes,
that was embarrassing.
I took the picture already.
You ready?
And took the Bullet Express.
One, two, three. Where's the controller?
Okay.
Oh, there one in the back.
Yeah.
Have you skied here this season?
Nope. Sorry?
The phone number for you, please.
604. Do you have any gloves on sale?
Not on sale. The cheapest ones we're going to have are these Combis ones down here. They're $52. So I think these ones like going to have Gore-Tex. They're going to be a little bit more waterproof, so they're going to be $109.
Okay.
But these ones are going to be the same, and the only difference is that's going to be a mitt and that's going to be a glove.
Okay, cool. Look out.
How do you know it's recording?
Is it the rear light?
It's not recording.
Yeah, there. Oh, yes, it's recording.
Wait.
It's over here.
Oh, okay, it's recording.
Stop lying to me.
I didn't say the light.
Oh my god, I'm already tired. We haven't started with.
What?
I'm very tired, dude.
Damn, Jax. Stop trolling. Oh, half pipe. That looks fun.
I never tried that, but do you want to try with me?
Sure.
Do you want to try first?
Yeah, sure.
Joe?
I can try, but I'm not gonna do some extreme thing.
No, you can just do like, it's kind of like surfing.
Yeah, just like the other side.
Go up and down.
Shocks?
Oh.
Have you ever tried this?
Mogul?
Logo?
I tried the one in Cyprus. This
you
is
like
actually
it?
smaller than Cyprus.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Cypress is too big.
Cyprus is like is really big, man.
It's like a
mountain.
Yeah.
Probably,
Yeah!
Avalanche.
Gotta use the dynamite tool, it's got a sell by date.
Avalanche prevention. Oh! Whoa, shit!
Yeah.
Have you seen mine?
Yeah, I think
Have you seen mine?
The last one, a little bit.
we missed the what though?
Yeah, but it's like parallel.
Huh?
Do you want to do it again? And we
Do
do
it
the
again?
half pipe or
Yeah.
quarter pipe. Did you see how high my first jump was?
The first jump I was like very high too, but I got so scared.
Yeah, it's scary. Eh?
No, but we all landed, right? Oh shit!
The next one I do is very short for me. But
Yeah,
I
the
landed.
second one I slowed down.
Yeah.
The first one I didn't know. No, but
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
No way. Puta. OK， 怎樣講嚟着？
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats on the string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
God damn, this route is harder than the entire day. Is my GoPro on? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.